could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red light. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red
Hello everybody and welcome back to another cleaning video. So in this cleaning video, as you can tell by the title, this is a complete disaster clean with me. So as you can tell, my house is a wreck. This was obviously at the end of the day, and this is usually how, especially in lockdown, how my house ends up at the end of the day. So I hope this gives you lots of cleaning motivation, and yeah, let's do this. So at the end of the day, when I'm cleaning up the kitchen especially, I tend to clean the table first and bring all of the dishes over so that I can load the dishwasher and any excess stuff, which here, for example, there was too much in the dishwasher. So I had excess stuff, so I just quickly wash those up by hand. So yeah, I do that, and then I like to get all the sides clear so that I can then actually clean. So yeah, that's what I like to do.
If I can make it, if I try to draw the red.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine.
So it's now time to clean the microwave. This is on my weekly list, and this product here is the first time I actually used it here, and I can tell you it is really, really good. You've got to leave it on for three minutes, and then you're good to go. Scrub it off, it just comes off, and it's obviously antibacterial, which I love about it. So yeah, I did a little bit of scrubbing here, a little bit of scrubbing there, and as you can see, in the end it comes up brand new. So I haven't done this for a few weeks, so I thought better get it done, you know.
It's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore
Would you look at that, all sparkling clean? So this made me really happy, and this is why I like having a weekly list, because all of the jobs that you sort of don't do every single day, it's really good to have that weekly list to alternate them every week and things like that, so you get the bigger jobs done that need doing. So next up, not in this video, but next up, I'm going to need to sort out my fridge, so that will be in the future cleaning video of mine.
I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. You're losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, 'cause I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm not good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off.
And here is the finished product. So kitchen done. I'm so happy about this. However, my kitchen gets cleaned quite a few times in the day. I don't know if you're the same as me, but the kitchen's constantly sort of getting cleaned, you know, like you're always wiping around and things like that, putting things away. So it's not, I suppose, a true mess to what if I didn't do it for days at all at anything in the kitchen. And you see that's the door to the utility room, and I shut that because you can't do everything. Rome wasn't built in a day.
'Cause this is the end. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm not good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep.
So this is a room that stores the shoes. They get everywhere on the floor and never get put away. But yeah, I'm also putting in like our everyday products. So Jonathan gets up for work at 4 o'clock in the morning, so he does things like dry his hair or does his hair, whatever it is, downstairs. So I put it all in that top bit of the shoe storage. It's just handy, hides it away, although he keeps getting it out and leaving it everywhere, but I'm sure I'll just keep putting it back. But yeah, so I'm just giving this downstairs toilet a quick wipe over just so that it's nice and fresh for the morning. And then I'm going to move on ahead into the front room, which is the most trash room this evening.
I got my friends when I'm on my own, calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. I'm by myself but never alone. I got my friends when I'm on my own, calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking it close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking it close, keep calling each other friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends. Oh baby, calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends.
I never thought you would take over my mind, 'cause I've been lost, but I'm giving you all of my time. Isn't that good enough? Changing my patterns a lot. Yeah, I never thought I'd be sitting here wrapped in your arms. So let go all the things you hear. I'm not
without you. So put a little faith in me, though you're scared.
Yes, I still have my 30 balloons. They are so annoying. You know when you have balloons for so long and you just think they're so nice when you get them, like for your actual birthday, and then the day after and the rest of the time they just really annoy me. But Harrison won't let me get rid of them, so they have to stay until they're completely deflated, and then when he's not looking, they're going in the bin.
But I'm still here. Hope that we will get there. Get there. Get there. Together. Like no one else. You have a routine with your hair. You hide your face, but you're so pretty. So let go of the things you hear. I'm not going anywhere without you. So put a little faith in me, though you're scared. No, I made it hard for you, but I can't. Now I wanna make you part of my plans. Put a little faith in me, though you're scared. Sometimes I feel like we're getting nowhere. Nowhere and nowhere.
Okay, let me explain this. So we are in lockdown, and every time I've gone to clean this has been on my list for weeks, and every time I've gone to clean underneath the cushions, there's always been someone sat on it. And if it isn't anybody else, then it's me at the end of the day, knackered because I've been cleaning all day, etc. So I'm not even going to apologise for it, because it is what it is. And I've also got so many stains on this sofa. I've had it so long, and I've tried literally every product out there to clean it, and I've actually made it worse. All them stains are actually watermarks and things like that from me trying to clean it with different products. So yeah, not really great, but just giving it a good wipe anyway, just so that it's hygienically clean. So I'm just going over it with wipes, and yeah, that'll do. I can't wait to get new sofas.
Still here. Hope that we will get there. Get there. Get there. Together. Sometimes I feel like we're getting nowhere. Nowhere and nowhere. No. But I'm still here. Hope that we will get there. Get there. Get there. Together. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
But yeah, I just wanted to also say in this video that not to be too hard on yourself. Like, if your house is getting messy, which I guarantee everyone's houses get messy, we're in it all the time, and especially if you have children, do not be too hard on yourself. You don't have to have a pristine house. You do not have to have a perfect looking house. No one's perfect. Nothing. This isn't an ideal situation for us to be in, and I just think that you need to take this time really to relax and look after yourself. It's hard as it is on our bodies, like not our bodies but our mind, sorry. It's hard enough on our mind worrying about stuff. Although this is also a very good distraction. This is why I'm doing it so much at the moment, and organising and things like that, because I just think I need to keep my mind occupied. But on a real note, just take care of yourself.
Life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's
and that's me done. So I hope that you did get some cleaning motivation. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you also are new here, please subscribe. I would love to have you over here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.